Delita loves slots at San Manuel Casino. We're playing Dancing Drums Explosion on one of these giant machines. We got the bonus on 588. I'm going to let Mr. Delita choose because he's very good at this. Yes, do it. Yes. Alright. Where are we going to get? Where are we going to get? Where are we going to get? Okay, let's... Oh, okay, well the same as the floor, so let's hope it turns out. Oh, I tried to film this. Okay, come on. Let's get a retrigger in here. Okay, we got the shifts. That's gotta be good. Alright. Hey, I like that. 576. So that was a good choice. Let's get a retrigger on this last one and that'll be super cool. There's our chips up there. Look at that. It's just such a beautiful machine. I wish I could. Let's see if I can. Oh no, that's zooming in. Sorry, I just got this new phone, so I'm still learning how to use it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Alright, let's get a retrigger here. Alright. So I'm not mad at that at all. Yay! Thank you, Dancing Drums Explosion. That's what we love to see. All of those gems and the fire and $630 win on a 588 bet. We did the mystery pick. We ended up with just 3 spins, but with all the reels, so that was great. So we're pretty happy with that. We're at San Manuel Casino in Highland, California. Last time we were here, which was, gosh, back in January or February, I think this is the machine I got a handy on, so we've had some good luck with this game here. Just love to count it up. Alright, there it is. Dancing Drums Explosion at San Manuel. Delita loves slots. We're still here at Dancing Drums Explosion. And we just got the coin pick with a jackpot upgrade. So Mr. Delita is going to do the honors because he always does such a good job here. Get that grand. Well that's okay. 2201. We still love you. Alright, so still at San Manuel, still at Dancing Drums Explosion, and we got the bonus again, so we're super excited. Again, we're going to have Mr. Delita do the choosing because he's so good at it. Whatever you think, whatever you're feeling. Yeah, whatever. That works for loads less time. Okay. How many games? Okay. That's the same thing we got last time. So let's hope it works out for us this time too. Okay, come on. Let's get something good here. Oh no, that's not what we had in mind. Retrigger, retrigger, retrigger. Oh no. Well, that time the mystery didn't work out very well for us, but it's alright. Thanks, Dancing Drums Explosion.